Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is well. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Glam Girl Krishna, and for today's I'm going to do for you guys no makeup morning makeup tutorial, morning routine basically what I do every day. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. I start off with my skin very clean and I use a little bit of moisturizer, minimalist moisturizer. Also the sun protection, this is a must for me unless I wanted to turn a tomato because my skin is too light, sometimes very dark. So I always do this step because for me, especially in a daytime, is a must. So I always choose a high protection sunscreen, VLCC sunscreen. Next I am going to use a Swiss Beauty makeup primer. Next I am going to use a foundation. Today I choose a full coverage foundation, but I am going to use just a little bit. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me and it's a matte foundation. I really like this one, but I really like to use this foundation when I prep my skin first. So when I apply a moisturizer, sometime a serum, so my foundation looks good. I am going to apply a little all over my face as you guys can see, and the rest left I am going to check out if I need apply a more. And I don't like to apply too much products in my face in a morning routine because I don't need too much, so I always remove the excess product with a beauty blender. And next I am going to apply a little bit of concealer to even highlight a few spots for my face. So I am going to apply under the eye and in my nose, in my chin, in my forehead. This is a very light shade from Glam, and to blend I am going to use the same blender. That I was using before, and now for a natural effect I am going to use a contour, and I am going to use a My Glam contour stick, and it gives me a really natural effect. That's why I love doing in the morning. But if I need for example to use this product for a nighttime makeup look, I don't really like it because the effect is so natural. I feel like for me glam looks I need more pigmentation. So in a little bit in the back of my hand I take it with the blush and I start to contour a few areas of my face. I really want to do a very soft type of contour just to reshape my face, that the foundation. Next next for a blush today's look I choose this product Swiss Beauty liquid blush shade peachy pink, and the same I am going to do with the blush. I absolutely love this color, it kind of matches perfectly with my skin type, so I am going to apply in the back of my hands, and here it looks so strong, a very pigmented blush, but when I apply in my face, when I take with a beauty blender or even a brush, it looks so soft in my skin. Next I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlight. This is a really soft stick and this is a shimmer golden stick. This is a highlighter. Today I am using highlight my nose because it gives me a really natural effect and I really love it. And now to set I am going to use a really light type of powder. This is from Maybelline New York and there is a compact powder and a loose powder. I am using the compact version and I am going to apply with a puff. Then I am going to do my brows with the Maybelline Brow Pencil shade brown. I am going to brush in the back direction where the hairs grow and then I am going to just brush back to the right direction. I know it looks crazy but this is how I do the fluff brow. So when I finish the shape that I want for my brows, I am going to just take another product and this is kind of eyebrow pencil, but this is not a dark, this is a light brow pencil, yes, and this product is so good. So let's move on to the eyes, and today I am going to use a very soft look. So first I am going to remove the excess product from the eyelid and next I am going to set all over the eyelid with a skin color, and using the same brush I am going to use a very light cool brown eyes shadow just to create a kind of something in my crease look, but of course not too much. Next, with the tip of my fingers, I am going to apply a shimmery eyeshadow just in the eyelid, but just a little to give me a little more light for this look. And next I am going to use a brown eyeshadow to create the kind of smoky eye look, and I am going to use a card just to help me to create a harsh line in the outer corners, but at the same time as I want to create a soft smoky eyeliner. So I am going to do it like this using a small brush to concentrate the dark eyeshadow, and I don't really want to move the card from the outer corners. I just remove the card and boom, everything is looking so good. So just finish off with the mascara, and this part of the eyeliner is kind of optional, so I just finish off with the mascara that I love so much. This is Swiss Beauty mascara. And now I am going to apply a Swiss Beauty lip liner shade dark brown. I'm going to use a plum matte lipstick, shade brown. Lastly, I am going to use a lip gloss. And this is how I conclude this look. I really hope that you love this tutorial much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload new video in my channel. Do like, comment, share and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and I see you later in the next one. Bye bye.